Welcome to How To with Miss Knight and her pups. Meet the crew. Miss Knight and her pups Sandy and Ollie will teach you how to do fun things around the house. Today we will learn the 5-finger breathing strategy. It is great to use a breathing strategy when you need to find your calm. You could use it when you're mad, anxious, nervous, upset, or even excited. Today we're going to learn the 5-finger breathing strategy. Step 1. Think of what helps you find your calm. You might think of waves on the beach, your favorite stuffed animal, a big hug from somebody you love. Everyone could have a different calm thought. Step 2. Put out one hand with your fingers spread apart, like this. Step 3. On your other hand, get your pointer finger ready, like this. Step 4. Put your pointer finger on the outside of your thumb while you breathe in. When you are at the top of your thumb, breathe out, like this. Trace all 5 fingers, breathing in when you go up and breathing out when you move down. Step 5. Notice how your body feels while you're breathing. You can repeat the breathing if you still feel upset. Notice your breath coming in and then pushing out. Notice the feeling of your pointer finger on each of your fingers. How do you feel? Now you can teach someone else the breathing strategy. Tell them to put out their palm and trace with their pointer finger around each finger, breathing in and out. I showed Ollie on his paw how to do the 5-finger breathing strategy. Thank you for joining us. I hope you're able to practice your breathing strategies. And tell us, what would you like to learn next in How To?